What? Excuse me, Sean.
Yes, Chaka, tell me.
Mwalimu Dimore has taken my biology med family and refused to give it back to me.
What? That one Dimori who always got an E.
She's all.
Do not condone that. Let go. I will deal with him accordingly.
Hello.
Mwalimu Chaka amechukua sahani yangu.
Young man, what time is it and you're looking for your plate? So you are looking for your plate? 15 minutes to lunch.
Yes, mwalimu.
Kijana, you are joking. Instead of you, sit down, read your books.